Hello viewers, in this video I am going to install a Fluidmaster 641 universal toilet tank lever. Turn off water line and remove toilet tank cover. Loosen the lever nut by using crescent wrench or by hand. Remove lever and detach the chain. I am now ready to install the Fluidmaster 641 Universal Toilet Tank Lever. This toilet tank lever is adjustable in length and bidirectional. Pull lever assembly from arm. Unthread lock nut. Insert lever mount. Hand tighten lock nut. Lock nut is reverse thread. Left is to tighten. Insert arm and snap together with the handle. Attach the chain and make sure to leave an ½ inch slack. Please subscribe, and I thank you for supporting my video.